Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Malkari Santhosh. Hope all are doing fine. In earlier sessions, I have gone through the technical challenges in automation testing. So I have explained about the extraction of Excel data using Apache Py API. So kindly go to it if you have not gone. So in today's session, I gonna explain about the Java program, which is the butterfly pattern. So this is also one of the important Java program which was asked in automation testing. And before driving to the session, please subscribe to my channel. So if you subscribe, that will give you more energy to perform more videos. So every week I am coming with new videos to make you get knowledge and these topics. Okay, hope you have subscribed to my channel and like and share to your colleagues, friends. Okay, let's drive the session. Okay, here we go. We are in IntelliJ now. So if you see, I have created a class called butterfly pattern and also have created some design for you. Okay, so which is a star pattern for butterfly. So you all know butterfly will be in the similar pattern. Okay, so we need to now design these pattern so in such a way like it should look like butterfly. Okay, so we will try our level best to perform these actions. Okay, so how to perform this? So let me have some analysis here before driving in. So if you see, to perform any pattern, there should be two important things we need to consider. One is row and one is column. So this is called the row and this is called the column. Okay, so these are the columns and these are the rows. So we need to first identify what are the number of rows we are entering as our input. Let's say our input is 5. Okay, so let's say we are giving our input as 5. So it should consist of 5 rows. Okay, so this is the row 1, row 2, row 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so yeah, this is our 5 rows. And if you see the bottom, so this is also formation of the 5 rows, but it should be in the reverse order. Okay, so you all know, right? So we can do the pattern for the right angle triangle. Okay, same we need to do it in the reverse order. Okay, so that we will achieve this top most butterfly, and later we need to do the reverse order for the same top, and we should get the reverse order of the bottom. Okay, and here let's try to program it first. Okay, I am taking a loop. So int I equal to, I am starting from 1. Okay, so now I less than equal to the number which is input. I am going till row 5. Okay, and let me create one more row for columns. Okay, let me consider it as j. I am starting with 1 here. So here I need to count till first row, which is I, and later I will increment this j value. Let me print some star. Okay, and first let me print this and let me show you what exactly happening here. Okay, so here we are printing a right angle triangle first. Okay, let me run this program. Okay, we have missed something. So it should be not println, it should be print. And also we need to give each line as a next line. So we need to keep print line after each row, so that it will look like a right angle triangle. Okay, so we got the right angle triangle here. Okay, so so it should be equal to, as we are starting from 1. Let me generate it again. Okay, so we got 5 rows, okay, with the right angle triangle, and we need to do the same thing at the opposite side. Okay, to do that we need to copy the entire for loop again, paste here, just here, and let me run the program again, and let me see what exactly the output is. Okay, okay, so we got 2 stars, and the increment of the first column is being done. Okay, but we should not want this, right? We want a butterfly upper body. Okay, to achieve this we need to understand here, so what is the gap that should be filled. Okay, so the gap here, if you consider, so if it is the first row we have 2 stars. Okay, and in the second row we have 4 stars, and the third row we have 6 stars. If you see that there are the multiples of 2. Okay, so we need to fill this gap with the space that should be multiples of this number. Okay, so what I will do is I will take a small int gap, so I will make it as gap. So now I will take the multiples of 2 into, I am considering that input minus my I value. Okay, that will be my gap. Okay, the first input will be 1. Okay, so input will be 5 minus 1 will be 4, 4 into 2 will be 8. So there are 8 gaps here. So these 8 gaps should be filled with spaces. Okay, so let me use one more variable, which is int one more j equal to, starting from 1, I will fill these gaps. Okay, j less than or equal to this gap. Okay, gap j plus plus. So here I need to print the gap. Okay, the gap should be empty. Now if I run this program, I should get some gap in between 2 stars. Okay, okay, I got the gap, right? So once I fill the gap and have run 2 for loops, okay, for printing the stars, I got the upper body of the butterfly. So to get the bottom of the butterfly, we need to just reverse the entire implementation which we have done. So I will copy the entire for loop. Okay, so I will paste it here once again. Okay, the only thing we need to do here is we need to change the first for loop. Okay, so now instead of starting from 1, I will start from the number, the input. Okay, so I will now use this greater than equal to 1, a minus minus. Okay, so if I now print these, let me see what happens. I should get the lower body also. Oh, I got the lower body, but we have two different two same rows. We should not want that, so let me keep decrement here. So I should start from number less than 1, from the topmost number, so I should get only one single row. Okay, yeah, if you see we have achieved this implementation. Okay, so if you see we have first created the rows and we have added the stars, later we have filled the gap with the multiples of 2, and we have achieved the butterfly pattern. This is the most easiest way that we can achieve, so using these if for loop conditions. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this session. Okay, and like, share to your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you, have a great day, bye.